Alright, so this is my video on just one way you can try to fix the issue with a vehicle not cranking. This is what I'm talking about. See, I'll turn the key, it's not starting. See that? Alright, so what you're going to want to do, you push it forward once, shift it in neutral, and then there it goes. Started right up. I'm just to prove it, I'm gonna drive. And this was done on a 93 Dodge Dakota, but if you have this similar issue, it should work on any vehicle. If that is not the case, you might want to check your battery. And if that's bad, take it to a mechanic.